Hello, everyone. Thank you for taking time out of your precious life to come and share Qi and Qigong with me. This week's session is a little bit different. It will help you to build strength, courage, resilience, and test your balance and physical endurance. If you're ready, let's go. Step the feet shoulder width apart. Anchor the tailbone, align the head with the heavens, and then we'll start by gently pumping the knees and turning from side to side. Here we're activating Ming Men, the gate of life, on the back, while nourishing the large intestine, the organ of release. Whatever we're holding on to is taking up space. This practice will encourage you to be willing to let go. Here, palms meet at center and push out to either side as though you're pushing two different walls. You'll notice for these first two forms, I'm lifting the heels. This will help you with a turn at the waist. You'll notice my hip is moving forward and the knee follows. Now we'll come into arm swings. Again, I'm lifting up the heels and the toes. This will help to activate the bubbling springs in the base of the foot related to the kidneys. This will help to power up your energy, strengthen your legs, and get your Qi moving. Washing down of the hands will also help to release old, stagnant energy. You should be feeling very revitalized and refreshed by the end of this session. Next, we gather the hands in front of the chest. You're using the Lao Gong points in the center of the palm to radiate energy into the heart and the lungs. The tailbone is anchored, head aligned with the heavens, shoulders are relaxed. And then just breathe out and draw that energy into the lower dantian. Here we're going to windmill the arms, one at the back, one overhead. You're going to bend the knees as generously as you need to for this form. Only come down as far as feels comfortable for you. The arms unwind as we come back up, and then the backhand is on the lower back at Ming Men, and we're turning about 45 degrees to the side to lean over. Again, you're only bending over as far as feels comfortable for you. We're not using the mind to override the body. We're really listening into the Qi, allowing the body to guide the practice and the process, trusting in its innate wisdom. Leaning over. This will help to strengthen the kidneys. The kidneys are the home of fear. So as we bend over, they open and expand, and we come back up and they contract. We turn and look behind, choosing to leave the past behind us and unfold into this present moment. As the arms stretch out to either side in the pause in between, this helps to open up the heart and the lungs. We're stretching through the bladder channel that runs from the top of the head all the way down either side of the back, and the back of the legs ending in the baby toe. Now let your arms release, and we'll move into Mabu, or horse stance. We're stepping out about double shoulder width apart. You're welcome to put your toes on a 45-degree angle here if that helps. And again, you're only coming down as far as feels comfortable for you. It's very important that the tailbone remains anchored and you're not straining the knees. We're breathing out to allow the arms to wave down, and pushing off the base of the feet and breathing in as the arms come up. It's a nice big opening up through the chest, drawing the energy up through the body. This will activate all of your energy and meridians. And then just releasing down, again, taking your time, going at your own pace. And then we'll pull the arms down through center. And this time we'll go in the opposite direction, breathing in to come up. Turn the palms to face you. Allow them to descend through center and then breathe in and wave back up. Breathing out to come down. If you need to take a break, if your legs are getting tired, again, listen to your body. There's some really big energy flow here and use of the muscles. This is a practice to really help you strengthen your will. And stimulate and dredge the kidneys, the home of our essence, and the batteries of the body. From here, we're going to lean into one leg and over. We're going to curl the opposite hand through the side, come back up. So we're leaning, curling the hand under close to the armpit, back up to center, and then leaning over to the other side. It might be helpful to put this on half speed and just follow along and come back to it at full speed when you're ready. It took me about 5 goes to get this form when I first learned it, so always be easy with yourself and take your time, breathing out and then breathing in to come back up. We're opening up through the side channels of the body, really getting into the liver and the spleen, helping to release anger and frustration, also tendency towards worry, and cultivating patience and trust. Let your hands wave down. Draw your feet back together. Give your ankles a little shake. They might be a little bit tight at the moment. And then we're going to breathe in and pull down the heavens. Settle all that energy that's rising to the surface. Keep your mind within your body. What is happening inside you through this really quick but potent practice? Gathering up and pulling your energy back. And here we'll come back to our Zhang standing with the hands at the heart and just allowing the energy to settle. Breathing is just natural in and out through the nose here. Feet are rooted to the earth, pulling down the energy of the sky through the crown and the energy of earth up through the feet. Feeling yourself steady, stable, strong, connected, guided by the primordial energies of both heaven and earth, always there for your support, guidance, and nourishment. And then very slowly let the hands just wash back down. And we'll release any stagnant chi out through the base of the feet. Hands back at the lower dantian. And stay here as long as you feel you need to. Thank you always for sharing Qi with me. I wish you all a beautiful morning, afternoon, or evening wherever you are. May you be feeling strong, courageous, and empowered.